What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another video, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all, basically, not showing y'all, but I'm about to be putting y'all on game on how you can take your YouTube channel to the next level, man, and just improve your channel for real. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. It means a lot, and it's gonna help your boy go a long way. I'm heading for that plaque, man. It's coming one day. You feel me? But hey, enough talking. Let's get into the video. Step number one, man, find your niche. A niche is basically just a certain type of content you make. Like what YouTube does is they don't post, but they like push out YouTube videos with the niche on them, rather than just people just posting just any type of video and expecting it to blow. Even though that happens sometimes, but like if you want to be serious with this, then I advise you to find a niche. Me, for an example, I make music tutorials, I make dope content, I make entertainment videos. You know, it's just like find whatever you're passionate about and just stick with it and just run with it. Like whatever you're passionate about, it can be cutting hair, it could be gaming, like whatever you want to like get started, then just run with it, man. But or anything you're curious and learning, and you're like learning and like teaching people at the same time, you could try that as well. But make sure you're making a certain type of content for a certain audience. You don't want to be all over the place, because then YouTube's not going to really know where to push your videos out, you know? Let's go on to the next step. All right, y'all, so now that you got your niche, now what you need to be doing is doing research on other YouTubers in your niche. And what that is going to do is going to help you get a better understanding on how to drop your videos, man, how to create your videos. Now, I'm not saying to copy other people's videos, but I'm saying to just do your research on other YouTubers that are doing the same kind of like videos as you, and just, you know, like take a grain of salt, you feel me, and do your thing. Nah, but for real though, y'all, don't like, you know, steal other people's things. You couldn't like get in trouble for that, but like, you know, take a little dab and, you know, and mix it into your own thing, and don't make it noticeable, you know? I'm not promoting y'all to steal other people's content, but it's just to get your brain going. There's a lot of thinking in this YouTube industry. You gotta have creativity, man, and I feel like that would be helpful for your creativity, man. But hey, we on to the next step. Excuse me if I squint my eyes. I don't know why. I can have them wide open, but like, I don't know, when I make my videos, they just squint. So all right, man, now that you got all that down packed, step number 3 is you need to start posting your videos, man. You gotta get consistent. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. You definitely don't want to get burnt out. And what burnt out is when you just been posting, and you just like, your brain is like kind of like, no, don't overdo yourself. This is what I'm trying to say. Don't overdo yourself. You don't want to make this stressful. This want to be more of a calming, chill hobby rather than something stressful to do. So yeah, man, don't overdo yourself, but make sure you stay consistent, because as long as you're posting your videos, keep on posting, your subscribers are going to come. So that's the trick, man, is to be consistent, and that's from an experienced YouTuber himself. But yeah, man, we on to the next step. For step number 4, analyze your content, man. Like, analyze your videos not as soon as you post them, but give it about a week or 2 if you want to, whatever you want to do, a couple days, and just go back on your old videos and just watch them and see what you like did wrong, or see where you were slipping up at, and see where you can like make things better. I know it'd be like embarrassing, like watching your old videos, like, this is cringy, I don't want to watch this, but nah, like you just gotta just go through that, man. It's helpful, it works. So, you know, go back on your videos. Don't worry too much about the numbers, bro. Trust me, the numbers are gonna come. But if you're consistently getting like low numbers, like for a long time, then maybe it's time for you to switch up your content ideas, or just up the quality on your videos. Remember, quality is key, man. The quantity gonna come, man, but you gotta have your quality, man. Your quality means a lot, because people gonna be watching your videos. So, all right, man, for the final step, this is what I can say. Believe in yourself, bro. You guys to believe in yourself, bro. If you really want to do this, do you really want to do this, or are you just playing around, bro? Because like, bro, this shit, people be making this shit look easy, and people be trying to make it look all good, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing, because YouTube goes crazy, but you gotta put in that work, bro, and you gotta believe in yourself. So Believe in yourself, bruh. It all starts with you, bro. Stop running to people with your ideas and all that, bro. It all starts with you, bro. That's why it's a YouTube, not a we tube, not a he tube, not a she tube, a YouTube, man. But we're gonna close the video off right there. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all wanna see more videos like this, man, smash that like button, spam the comments up, man. You already know the vibes. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.